Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to receive money from Western Union. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the Western Union app. And in here, you can go ahead and go to the top and just request. Okay. In here, just state where you are receiving from. Okay. For example, there's someone from United States that is sending you money. So just select United States. Okay. Once that's done, you are requesting right here, tap on the drop down, select the specific currency. Okay. And after that, it says here how you'd like to receive your money. It could be via bank account or even wallet. Both of these options are the best in my opinion. Or you could go ahead and choose a cash pickup. Okay. Or the OG way. Now you can go ahead and tap on cash pickup. And once done, just enter the sender's name right here. Okay. Just type down the name. And then once done, select it. And after that, all right, just hit on continue right here. And all you need to do is just go ahead and give your information, your first name, middle name, last name, and email. Hit on continue. And when the person already sent you money, okay, he will be given by Western Union a MTCN, all right, basically a tracking number. So what he'll do is give the MTCN to you for you to track it, okay? Now, once you have the notification that you are ready to pick up your money, you can now then go ahead and go to any participating Western Union agent locations. Okay, if you don't know where to find one, well, you can go ahead and open up the app, scroll down, and tap on find an agent location near you. Okay, just tap on it, make sure that you give the location permission. And then once done, you can now go ahead and scroll through these results right here and just tap on one. Okay. Basically, the first option right here will be the closest. Okay, just tap on it and it will give you the correct address, or you can go ahead and tap on direction to open up one of your map apps. Okay, now once you have the location, you can go ahead and go to the specific location, of course. Then all you need to do is just go ahead and talk to the agent and give the sender's details. Okay, first name, last name, just like that, and the MTCN. Now, of course, I almost forgot, bring your valid ID or a government issued photo ID. That's basically it. Just wait for the agent to check your request. And once that's done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.